You will need to set up a new Python environment associated with your account if you wish to use Python, Jupyter Notebooks with Python, or the STATA helper. Otherwise, you can skip this section. Navigate to s-readall/python-help/env helper and double-click the create python-env.bat file. This will automatically set up your environment for you. Be aware this can take up to 2 hours to run. Your environment will be called p:your username/ens/env1. You will need to activate your environment in Anaconda console each time before running Python or Jupyter Notebook. To do so, type into Anaconda prompt, activate, and then the environment name. If this is successful, you will see new lines of the console preceded by the environment name rather than base. If you wish to edit how your environment is created, change its location or its name, you are welcome to copy the create python-env.bat file into your project folder and edit it there.